Hey friends, Jessica Brigham here. What's the next best thing since sliced bread? Removable wallpaper. And today I'm going to show you how to install this gift from the design gods solo and in your very own home. All you'll need is a measuring tape, an X-Acto blade, level, scissors, a giant ladder, and a fabulous wallpaper. First, measure the height and width of the area you seek to wallpaper. For old home dwellers like me, measure the height in a few places to account for any discrepancies from the house settling. Make sure to account for 10% waste when placing your order, because things happen and you never know. You make the wrong cut, you got the extra panel, you're good, let's go. All right. To begin, remove any hardware and existing wallpaper. Peel off the backing about 10 inches and lay the first panel at the highest point. This old plaster wall is shockingly even, so I chose the corner to overlap the adjoining wall, which is noticeably on a slant. The beautiful thing about peel and stick is adjustments are a breeze. If the panel's off, grab your level, peel up, and lay back down until plumb. Use your hands to smooth the panel from the center outward to remove any air bubbles. A word to the wise, if you get the first panel up perfectly, it's smooth sailing from there. Take your time. When you arrive at a window or a doorway, lay the panel as far as you can go and make a cut to the joint right away. Cut away the excess with a scissor, and this will make the panel much more manageable to lay flat. Once all the panels are up, make your corner cuts and voila, you are done. Peel and stick wallpaper is a great way to gussy up the vibe of any space. And if you're ready for a change, just go ahead, girl, and take her right down. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye. Say bye. Oh.